Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OnePlus Nord CE Lite device, and now I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from the gallery recycle bin. So, okay, let's accumulate the situation. So, just take a photo and remove it. Great. Now, I want to recover this photo. How can I do it? To do it, you just need to open the gallery, then find albums, and here you will see a recently deleted album. Open it, and here you will see recently deleted photos and videos. All deleted content will be stored here during only 30 days. You need to remember about it. Only 30 days you have to recover the deleted photos and videos. And after this time, your photos and videos will be permanently removed from your device. Of course, you can do it faster, so just choose photos you want to remove permanently and click delete all. But if you want to recover, you have this 30 days. So choose the photos you want to recover and click restore. And as you can see, this photo is here in my normal gallery right now. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.